So I am back with another daily vlog. I haven't been doing them for a while just because I really have nothing going on. It's pretty boring, like everyday life, but today I'm super excited because I got a email for a job interview at the post office working part-time, which is something that it's taken me 2 months to even get to an interview, because with the post office, like, it's just a really long process to get hired, and I had to take 2 exams before I could even get an interview. So here I am, and I'm super excited. This is actually going to be a part-time job, I'm hoping, so that I can try and get another or better lawyer for my man, to try and get him home. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I've actually had a lot of a lot of other part-time jobs that kind of fell through, like either they didn't work out, I didn't get the interview. Let me take these off because I look like super serious with those on. Or like I didn't get the interview, or like I would get the interview and then I wouldn't get a call back. And so I just feel like everything worked out perfectly, honestly, because I was kind of discouraged, like not getting these jobs, and I've never had such a hard time finding a job. It could just be like the market right now or something, but yeah, I was starting to get like super discouraged. And then today I got the email that I got the interview for the post office, so I'm super excited. And if you watch my channel and you follow me for a while, I know I swear and I'm not like this perfect person, but I do believe in God. And I just feel like the way that everything worked out for me right now, it's just like a sign for me that he's listening to my prayers. And so, I mean, I haven't got the job yet, but I'm still like super excited for it, because I've heard that like basically once you get the interview, then you got the job. So we'll see. How do you like my eyelashes though? If you didn't watch my lash lift video, please go watch it, because this is just my lashes just lifted up. So anyways, I'm not gonna spend too much time talking on here. I have to go. I'm off work early today. Me and my sister are going to do a mukbang, and there's a lady looking at me. We're gonna go do a mukbang for our new mukbang channel. So I gotta save some memory. And that's another thing too. I want to get a camera, an actual camera, and a laptop, because filming on my phone really sucks. I feel like I could be filming so much more, but I can't, because I could literally film like 20 minutes worth on my phone before it gets full. So I'm hoping like once I get more income, I can invest more into my channel and stuff like that, and save up money and get my man home, and hashtag goals. So anyways, I will see you whenever I see you. Today's Thursday, so we'll see how long this vlog goes. Whew, I'm literally sweating my face off. I made my kids a fort in my front room. So yeah, here it is. Fortnite. I hope I'm gonna surprise them. I told them I was making them something, and my girls are like, "You're making a fort." I'm like, "Can you just be surprised?" Anyways, yeah, I'm sweating my face off. So right in front of the TV. It's a fort, ghetto style. Our finished product from our crafting earlier. So I had each of my kids do a bird. That's Gabby's, Lisa's, Aaliyah's, and then I just put it on this plaque here and hung it up at our kitchen right above this thing that holds my keys, because I haven't needed to get one forever. So I just got this for like $4 and painted it. So looks pretty cute. My mama's here. They do the fireworks every year. at the junior high, like right behind our house, so we can sit on the patio and watch the fireworks from our yard. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. So I love how I show my mom my makeup videos and she laughs. I'm like, do you like my, like she walked in today, I was like, do you like my makeup? And she was like, is that what you do? I'm like, is that what I do? Like, can you just say yes or no? Rude. And then I showed her my video that I did on this look. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw it or whatever. But I showed her, and then she just starts laughing at me. I'm like, bro, you're supposed to be my biggest fan. What a hater. My mom's a low-key hater, man. Happy Sunday. Eating ice cream. My son told me today that I'm chunky and I eat too much food, so I'm eating some more food. But it like low-key hurt my feelings. Anyway, I'm gonna go try to find something to wear for my interview tomorrow. Because you have to have closed-toed shoes that aren't higher than 2 inches. And I don't have any shoes that aren't higher than 2 inches that aren't like sandals, you know? So I'm gonna go try to find some like really, really cheap ones. Because I don't like flats. Like, I don't like flats that are like closed-toed. They just not flattering to me. So that's what we're gonna do today. I've been dreaming. 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 I've been dreaming.